Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Manikeny again. If you are new here, you're very welcome. Really part of this family though. I appreciate you guys as usual. Do not forget to subscribe if you're new and join the family. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys a quick tip and trick of how you can undo your hair like really quickly, especially if you're doing it yourself like me. And yeah, so let's jump right into this video.
It's Manikeny.
Usually I'll wear this type of hairstyle for a month or two. I think this has been almost 2 months. I think about 7 weeks now. Or maybe this week is the 8th. I'm not sure. But it has been at least 6 weeks or 7. And how do I know it's time for it to go? When it has already grown out like this. You can see it has grown out a little bit too much for me. Even if I usually will do my baby hairs and it looks okay. But I think I need to wash my hair, and I do not want to wash the hair with the braids, because when you wash your hair with your braids, it's a method to keep it longer, but for me it makes it look even older. So I'll rather just take it off and wash my hair. So but yeah, when I see that it started graying out like this and the parts are not clean anymore, then it's time for it to go. So all I'm going to need for this process is this. So a pair of scissors, comb, especially with the thing here, and a bigger comb just to comb my hair later on. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm just going to, I love this hair color. I think I'll do this hair color again, even with my next hairstyles. I think even when I'm getting a wig, I'll probably get this type of color. It did really good. I really think it looks good on me. And that was the first time trying it, and I have a lot more of this hair left. So I'm definitely going to use this color again. I was even thinking of like dyeing my hair, but I'm a little bit unsure if I really want to dye my hair this color. Not sure, still thinking about it. First things first, you want to section the hair, because I cannot cut it all at once. So to make it easier to cut, I'm just going to take section by section. So for example, this section, and my scissors is not a very big one, so I might have to take smaller sections. Yeah, like this. And my hair is very short, but if you have longer hair, especially if it's colored braids, it makes it easier because you can see where your hair ends, like right here. But then when I had longer hair, my hair ended like almost here. So I just have to make sure, even if the braids are black, I have to make sure I'm cutting where my hair ends so that I don't cut my own hair. So yeah, but the good thing is my hair is short. So it will make this process really easier. So yeah, my baby just woke up and met me right here, and he's like, what are you doing? Yep, I'm undoing my hair. Yeah, I know. I'm about to cut my hair. How was your nap? Good? This was really a fast process. This took me about an hour to 2 hours with breaks in between. And yeah, this is just me taking off the last extension, or so I thought, because there's one hidden back there that I didn't see. But yeah, and then after this, I'll just take off these little knots. I'll wash my hair before taking them out. But that's pretty much it. It was really quick. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more hair and makeup videos. See you guys in the next one. Bye.